Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful day. Today's project will be a project for my stovetop. I'm trying to make a stovetop cover, and so these are what I'm working with right now. I know everybody knows about these right here, so let me show them to you. I've had these on my stove for about 2 years. They worked for the time being, and now I'm over it. You know, so I went to Etsy and I also went to Pinterest. And I came across these. I want to show them to you. I've never seen these before, and I thought that they were so interesting. They are making stovetop covers with handles. I mean, it's covering the entire stove. You see that? That is so nice. Look at these. So nice. And so I was wondering, what could I do to make a stovetop cover? I thought about these doors that I salvaged. It came off of a cabinet. The cabinet was damaged, but I kept the doors, and I had them in my garage for about a year. Didn't know what I was gonna do with them, and I just kept them because they were unique, they were different, they're really pretty. And so I went in the garage, I pulled them out, and I'm going to show them to you right now. I'm gonna take these off, right? And so this is the door. I have 2 of them. They're so unique and different. And so it will fit. It will fit perfectly. Across it measures at 28.5. So I need to get some wood cut at 28.5. And to cover my entire stove, maybe right at 21 inches on the length of it, to fit all the way to the back here. I'm just going to frame this in. So I'm going to Lowe's, I'm gonna get some wood cut, and I'm going to my sister's house because she has all the tools that I need in order to do recess drilling so that my screws fit inside of the wood instead of laying on top of the wood to scratch up the top of my stove. We ain't having that. Take a look at it from the front side. Tell me what you think. This is so unique, right? Okay, so let's take a trip to Lowe's and over to my sister's house. And then back home to see what this looks like. I've already pieced it together. Went to Lowe's, got a couple of pieces of wood cut out so that I can frame it, so that it could fit the stove. And I want you guys to see what it's going to look like. I love it. So it doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty nice. So these are the holes where the recess holes, so that the screws are down inside the wood all the way around. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. So now I want to see what it looks like on top of the stove all the way around. Oh, here we go. and it fits perfectly. Take a look. Let me step back so you can see this. It's not stained yet, but I'm going to stain it so that it's all one color, just a natural stain, because I love wood elements. And this is it, you guys. I can add the Velcro at the bottom, the fabric part of the Velcro, not the scratchy part, but the fabric part, and it'll keep my stovetop safe. That way the wood is not sitting like right on top of the stove. So I can add the Velcro around this part, the little 1-inch Velcro. It comes in a strip. I can put it across here, and it'll protect my stove. Yeah, I like it. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Some will like it, some won't, I'm sure. But it's just so different and unique. I like it a lot. So I'm going to step back so you can see it. This is so nice. And if you want to enter the giveaway, I have another one just like it. This is it. And I'm going to frame this one out just as I framed the one out for my stove. And if you want to enter the giveaway, just say I'm in Stovetop Twin in the comment section below. In order to enter the giveaway, I'll be giving this away as soon as I reach 1,500 subscribers. So subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.